So you keep your hands up. So as it comes this way, you want to kind of practice moving your head, your body, the direction of swinging outside of the direction of swinging. So basically, you swing to this way, you want to basically sway yourself out of the direction it's coming. You know what I mean? So just for now, kind of like get used to, yeah. Now, but you do that, you time it. So when it swings that way, you slip. You gotta understand when it swings, it's coming back with the same force. It's basically sent out. So you gotta kind of time it. Here, 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 here. I'm gonna give you 3 slips for the head to move. It's left, right, and you move first duck. So the thing is that when it swings, you gotta move it. So don't feel like you gotta move so fast. Just kind of like feel the pace of how the swing is. You know what I mean? So if we're swinging at this pace right here, there you go.